Okay, so we're diving deep into influencer marketing today, but with a twist.
With the twist.
Yeah. So you know how everyone's always talking about authentic content these days?
Mm.
That like real, genuine stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Like it's a recommendation coming from a friend, right? And you know how much it costs to actually hire someone to make a video like that?
Oh, yeah.
Like a fortune.
Definitely.
What if I told you there's a way to get those same results
Okay.
using completely free tools?
It sounds too good to be true.
I know, right?
Yeah.
But that's what we're talking about today.
Yep.
We're going to be unpacking Steve Meller's CrowdWorks training, and honestly, it's pretty impressive.
It is really impressive.
It's like he figured out how to make these professional quality video ads without needing that crazy budget.
Yep.
Like no expensive software, no paying actors or anything.
Really?
It's all free AI tools and resources, stuff that anyone can access.
Wow.
I know.
That's amazing.
Okay, so before we get too deep into the how-to stuff here, let's talk about the why. Most people listening probably already know influencer marketing is powerful, but actually creating those videos can be daunting.
Yeah, for sure.
Right.
A lot of people think you need a whole production team to make something that looks that good.
Yeah, you see those really slick videos online
Yeah.
and think, oh, I need a bunch of fancy equipment in a studio.
Yeah.
But CrowdWorks is like the opposite of that.
Yeah, it flips the script completely.
So how does it actually work? Like, where do you even start with this free video magic?
Well, it all starts with choosing the right product. Like any good marketing strategy, Steve really emphasizes research.
Okay.
Like looking at what's trending on TikTok, seeing what your competitors are up to, even looking at sites like AliExpress for inspiration.
Well, it's all about finding those winning products.
Yeah.
Stuff that looks good,
Yeah.
solves a problem people have,
Yeah.
and obviously something you can actually make money from.
Exactly.
So you've found your product, then what?
That's where the AI comes in. Ooh. Steve gives you this super specific prompt.
Okay.
Just plug it into ChatGPT, and it creates a script based on your product and like all the sales stuff you give it.
It's like having a personal scriptwriter, but without having to pay them.
Exactly.
I was blown away by how detailed the prompt is.
Yeah.
It's like it really makes sure the AI understands everything about your product, who you're selling to, even what their problems are.
It's crazy how well it turns that into an actual script, and not just a creative script, a script that is designed to sell.
Okay, so we have a great script now. Do we need to hire an actor?
Nope. This is where it gets even cooler.
Okay.
CrowdWorks uses TikTok's free creative studio
Right.
and their avatar feature to make videos from the script.
So you don't even have to be on camera.
You don't even have to be on camera.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah.
No awkward filming, no hiring actors. Plus, the avatars are so customizable, you could really get creative with it.
You can make a unique look for your brand while still keeping that professional feel that people expect from these videos.
So we've got the avatar saying the script, but it still needs something else, right? Like some visuals.
You're right. Every good influencer video needs some B-roll footage.
Right?
But guess what? You don't need to pay for stock footage either.
No way.
Yeah, Steve shows you how to find free B-roll on places like TikTok,
Oh,
YouTube, even Pexels.
amazing.
Yeah.
So it's all about finding footage that shows off your product, highlight its benefits and all that.
Yeah, exactly.
And the fact that it's free is just incredible.
It really makes the whole thing accessible, no matter what your budget is.
It's amazing. It's like every step is designed to give you that big budget look, but without the cost.
Exactly.
And speaking of production, we still need to edit it all together, right?
That's right.
All right, time for video editing.
Video editing.
Any guesses on if we need expensive software for that?
Probably not.
Nope. You guessed it.
Awesome.
CrowdWorks uses CapCut, another free editing software.
Wow.
It walks you through the whole process of combining the avatar, the B-roll, adding captions and transitions, and boom, a professional video ready to stop those thumbs from scrolling.
That sounds pretty easy.
Right.
And the best part is CapCut is super easy to use, even if you've never edited a video before.
Yeah, that's so key. I think a lot of people get scared off by the tech stuff, but CrowdWorks makes it feel really simple,
Yeah.
even fun.
It's like he's making video creation easy for everyone.
Right, and the results are amazing. Like, you seriously wouldn't believe it was made with free tools.
It's true, the quality is incredible.
It's like he figured out the secret sauce of influencer marketing. You're not just hitting people with ads. It's about making content that feels natural,
Yeah, organic.
like it belongs on the platform.
Exactly.
It's about speaking their language,
Yeah.
meeting them where they're at. And it's not about being pushy.
No, it's not about that.
It's about showing them how your product can actually help them.
That's what authenticity is all about.
Yeah.
People know when something is fake. But when it feels genuine,
Right.
when it connects with them,
Yeah.
that's when it works.
And you're not limited to just one video.
Right.
You can make stuff for all sorts of platforms.
Yeah. Experiment.
Try different styles.
See what works best.
You have total control.
It's really flexible.
This reminds me of something.
What's that?
Like there's this shift happening in marketing.
Oh, yeah.
It's moving away from interruption marketing
Okay.
toward a more value-driven approach.
Yeah, people don't want to see those annoying ads anymore.
Exactly. They want content that actually gives them something.
Right. Something useful or entertaining.
And CrowdWorks is perfect for that.
Definitely.
You're not interrupting them with a random ad.
It's more natural.
Yeah, you're blending into their feed with content that feels native,
Yeah.
engaging,
It's a better way to connect with people.
and build trust.
For sure.
Speaking of which,
Yeah.
do you remember that Godox 8100 Pro lighting video Steve shows?
Oh, yeah, that was a good one.
It's a perfect example of what's possible with this system.
The quality is amazing.
Yeah.
And it feels so natural.
Like it just belongs on your feed.
Mm-hmm.
This is what I love about CrowdWorks.
What's that?
It's not just about saving money.
Okay.
It's about getting results,
Right.
making videos that actually help your business grow,
Yeah.
and doing it in a way that feels authentic, which builds that trust with your audience.
Exactly.
It's funny, we hear all the time about how powerful AI is,
Yeah.
but CrowdWorks actually shows you how to use it,
Yeah.
like in a practical way.
Not just theory.
Exactly. It's something you can start using today to see real results.
It's amazing how technology is changing things.
I know, right?
Anyone can make high quality videos now.
It's like you don't need those expensive agencies anymore, or spend hours learning complicated software.
Yeah.
CrowdWorks just makes it easy, so you can focus on the important stuff.
Yeah. Connecting with people.
Sharing your message.
It's a game changer.
It really is.
And to think it all came from someone asking, what if there was a better way?
That's so cool.
So inspiring. Okay, so what's your biggest takeaway from all of this?
I think for me, it's that focus on authenticity and value.
Yeah.
It's not about making flashy videos just because. It's about creating something that people actually connect with.
Right.
Something that adds value to their online experience.
That's such a great point. It's not about tricking people into buying your product. It's about building real relationships and trust. And it makes you think about all the possibilities. What could you be showing off? What stories could you be telling? It feels like this is opening up a whole new world.
I know.
Especially for people who thought video was just too expensive.
Definitely. And that's the best part about Steve's approach.
Yeah.
He's not just giving you the tools, he's showing you how to actually use them to reach your goals.
It's like he's saying, you don't need a big budget, you don't need a fancy agency, you can do this yourself.
Exactly.
It really levels the playing field.
It does. Small businesses and entrepreneurs, they can compete with the big guys now.
And that's huge.
It is.
And it all comes back to that idea.
What's that?
You don't need to spend a ton of money to make something amazing.
Yeah.
You just need the right knowledge and the right tools. And CrowdWorks gives you both.
So are you ready to become an influencer?
I think I am.
I know I'm feeling super inspired. If you want to learn more about CrowdWorks, we've got a link in the show notes.
Make sure to check it out. Steve's training has even more stuff that we didn't have time to cover today.
It's a goldmine of information. And as you go on this journey, remember to experiment.
Oh yeah, that's important.
Try different things. See what works for you.
That's the beauty of it.
Exactly.
CrowdWorks gives you the foundation, but you get to be creative.
So you get to add your own style.
Exactly.
So go out there and create something amazing.
Right.
We can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time,